we thought we should offer processed engineered wood from agricultural waste instead of cutting a tree. It was a very bold experiment in life. For the country, we offered finally a technology in 95. We installed as a pioneers. Instead of using wood, you can switch over to processed and engineered wood made from agro waste, which was highly successful, and the product was accepted internationally. This is the greatest success that would be useful for the future generations.